Welcome to the city of dreams, where the only thing rising faster than the skyline is a litter on the streets. A very cheerful morning to respected judges and my fellow Mumbaikars. Today I, Nirvan Maktoum, stand before you with a mission that seems as daunting as getting a local train seat at peak hour, keeping Mumbai city clean. But hey, if we can survive traffic that moves slower than a New Year's resolutions, surely we can tackle this too, right? Now let's be honest. We have got skyscrapers brushing the sky, but streets with the leftover vada pav wrappers. So how do we fix this mess? Let's dive into some strategies. Strategy number 1. Garbage bins, the avengers of cleanliness. Let's start with something simple yet revolutionary. Use a dustbin. Yes, you heard me right. Those green and blue alien looking like objects you pass by every day, those aren't some decorative pieces. And I swear, if we could find these dustbins as easily as we find roadside pani puri stalls, we would have happier stomachs and cleaner streets. The solution: triple the number of bins in public spaces. Let's make garbage bins as common as Mumbai rains and as easy to find as a traffic signal during rush hour. Everywhere. Strategy number 2. Stricter fines. No free ticket to Little Land. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hit them where it hurts, their wallets. Stricter fines for littering, spitting and dumping garbage in inappropriate areas. Think of it as Mumbai's very own reality show. Kaun banega crorepati of fines. If you can't clean it, at least pay for it. And after all, it's high time we realize that those Swachh Bharat slogans are not just for WhatsApp forwards. Strategy number 3. We all were being taught since grade 1 the importance of 3 R's. Let's understand this in an Indian way. Have you ever opened your fridge, hoping for a scoop of ice cream, only to find frozen peas in that same ice cream box? Yes, this is the hallmark of Indian mom's genius. Reuse. Ice cream boxes become food containers, old jars become spice storages, and glass bottles suddenly become flower vases. So technically, we all are pioneers of sustainability, just with an Indian twist. But how much of this reuse really helps us? The answer lies in how conscious we are about managing our waste. Recycling is essential, but we often fail to recognize small habits that sabotage it. For example, you know those small milk bags we cut every morning? If we cut the corner off completely and throw it away, well, you do it, right? Then congratulations, you have just made life tougher for recyclers. However, if you keep that little piece attached to it, the entire bag gets recycled. These are the small changes which we must adapt. Strategy number 4. Tech to the rescue. In a city where even your tiffin comes with a GPS, why not leverage technology for cleanliness? Mobile apps that report garbage piles, smart bins that signal when they're full, and real-time monitoring of cleaning services could turn the game around. We have got apps for dating, food, shopping, delivery, and whatnot. So why can't we add one to clean our city? It is very wisely said that innovation needs constant evaluation. Envision futuristic aquatic robots trawling Mumbai's sea waters and devouring trash with mechanical precision. These eco warriors can transform polluted streams into beautiful sanctuaries, proving that city's true superheroes are waterproof and insatiably hungry for litter. And last but not the least, adoption of wet waste segregation system by societies, where organic remnants find their day-wise segregated compartments. The solution: flourishing society gardens without the use of chemicals. And yes, if we can carry a power bank for a phone that's already 100% charged, surely we can carry a cloth bag to save our planet. So my dear Mumbaikars, the solution isn't rocket science, it's just a common sense. It's about doing our bit and not waiting for someone else to take the first step. Remember, a clean Mumbai is not just a responsibility, it's a legacy. And who knows, maybe one day when the aliens finally visit, they won't get confused between our beaches and trash dumps. So just remember, when in doubt, throw it out. I mean, in the dustbin, of course. Thank you.